Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope everybody had a great weekend. Monday, ready to start. A very important week. Remember, we have CPI data coming out and also FOMC minutes on Wednesday. But let's go to our theme. Let's go check the stock market, check our levels. Let's do a technical analysis for the ES, which is the Standard & Poor's Futures, and the SPY, ETF of the Standard & Poor's. We also have picked 4 stocks that we're going to be watching today, but let's get it started. The ES all over the place. We posted a video yesterday with a recap of last week and what we expected for this week. We said that this week we were going to be consolidating, chopping around, waiting for that catalyst on Wednesday with the FOMC meeting and the CPI data. Yeah, the ES has been all over the place, lows of 36.17, high of where we are right now, 36.50. Okay, so what should we expect for today? More of the same. We have this range now, 36.25, 36.60. If we trade in between that channel, we're just gonna chop around that channel. To have a breaking price to the upside, 36.60, to the downside, 36.25, 36.20, okay? My pivot for today is gonna be 36.45. If we hold that, we're gonna have room to 36.60, then 36.75, then 36.95, then 37.15, and 37.30. It's a long ways there, but you know, we're in a really deep bear market. Bear markets are well known for these like huge short squeeze that can be 2-3% green on the day. But what happened next day comes and reverse it with the same force or even harder. So if we cannot hold the pivot of 36.45, we're gonna go down to 36.30, 36.25, 3600. I should have a line there, because even though it's not a very strong support, even numbers are always like a spot to like support or resist. And then 35.70, danger zone. Below there is capitulation, is huge sell-off, and we might get there if we get a really bad CPI data and the Fed keeps on being hawkish and planning to keep on increasing the rates even more aggressively. So let's go to the SPY real quick. The spike, the pivot today is gonna be 363. If we hold, we're going to have room to 364.94, 366.54, 368.06, and 370. Unable to hold, we're gonna sell back down to 361.50, 360, and probably 357.88. I'm gonna be leaning on the bullish neutral side today, only if the price can stay above the pivot for the first 30 minutes, okay? Why am I leaning bullish? I'm not bullish in this market. It looks really bad, but there are some indicators that tells me that we can have like a short-term relief bounce. We are way oversold. Selling might be reaching that exhaustion point, but during a bear market, that doesn't mean anything. Sellers are in charge, and it's going to be like that until proven otherwise. Let's go and check on our watch list. The first one is Tesla. Let's check the 3-year, 1-week chart. Huge support level here at 220.50. If it falls that, we are gonna go down a lot. Tesla is going to have a magnet of $200. Okay. This is a very difficult name to trade. It is a good day-to-day. It's a good ticker to day trade. Moves a lot. I'm leaning bearish on this. Let's check the intraday chart, 5-day, 15 minutes. Okay, above, I would say above 224, 225. I'm leaning bullish, and if the market pushes, then Tesla is going to do it as well. But I would say under 222, under 220 for sure, I'm gonna be leaning really bearish, and I might take some puts, probably 210, 205 expiring this week. Again, any trade taken today and tomorrow is going to have to be a day trade, because we don't know exactly what is going to happen on Wednesday. So take a day trade, take a smaller size, don't risk your money, and manage it well. Okay. The other ticker that we have is NVIDIA, NVDA, also to the downside, leaning bearish on this name. Let's check the 3-year. NVIDIA has been hammered lately. Also in a really important point here, 220, 224, then we come to 115. Then it has ton of room, probably 105, 100, especially if the market breaks down this week. Let's check the 15-minute chart. If we break, probably I would say 118.15. Yeah, most likely I would take 110 puts for this week. Leaning bearish on NVIDIA too. 4 is another name that we have for the downside. Gapping down pre-market here, trading at 1150. If 1150 breaks, let's check real quick the 3-year. 1150. If 11 breaks, we have room to 10, 950. Sounds like a lot, but we might get there. On Ford, this is not as, I wouldn't say easy, but this probably harder than NVIDIA and Tesla to trade. Sometimes the options don't move and don't give you like the quality trade we're looking for. But this is a good trade to the downside if you decide to do it with shares. You can short it with shares easily. Probably at the break of, I would say, probably 1135, 1130, I would get short with a target of, 1 second. Yeah, probably with a target of 11 high tens. And the last one, last but not least, we have Etsy. Etsy has been like coiling. Of course, it hasn't had a chance to keep going up because of the market, but 113.95, 114 is a good point to set an alert here. Above Goldman Sachs starts a buy on Etsy with a $130 target. So above 114, I will try to find a good short-term swing with Etsy, probably to the 125 December, maybe January, November or December. Okay. Any questions? Remember that we have our free Discord group. I always put the link for a free invitation here in the video description. Also our social media, Twitter, Instagram, Aroa Green Team Room. More than welcome to help you. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow during pre-market. Bye.